What's up, IT ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done so. Just takes a second and really helps the channel. Today we're going to go over the only RoboCopy command you will ever need to copy data between a source and destination folder. I've taken the time to assemble the relevant switches I think are important and most useful. Let's take a look at the command and those switches we're going to use. At the top, we have the full command we're going to use. I always nest a test folder in the source and destination for the trial run. Let's go over the switches. /E copies folders, including empty subfolders. /XA:HS excludes hidden and system folders. MT is for multithread and efficiency. /R:5 is a retry 5 times on failed copies. /W:5 waits 5 seconds between retries. Optional, append log files. And TEE output to console window as well as the log file. Lastly, optional customization, you can XD exclude directories and XF exclude files. At the top right, I have the nested test folder with different files of varying sizes. Bottom right, I have the nested destination test folder. If you are going to be using the log file switch, make sure you create your destination folder. This can be very helpful for troubleshooting. Let's go ahead and execute our full RoboCopy command. No failures. Bottom right, we see destination folder appears to be mirrored. We can now see the log file also appears in the target folder. We can now run the production RoboCopy command, and let's adjust it for the target locations. And rerun. And we can see no failures, no mismatch. And if we were to back out in the target destination folder, we see this also mirrors the source folder. Our RoboCopy command was successful. This can be used for desktop, server, and large data set migrations. Thank you for watching, and hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let me know if this RoboCopy command was helpful for you with your implementation, or if you have a script or any other switches you think I missed. See you in the next video, and let's Ninja fix it.